Ever wonder what that rock really is? With this AI app, you uncover the secrets behind every rock you find.
Now, how to know about every rock you came across using rock identifier app. Now, let's dive into the tutorial.
Now, to identify every rock you came across using rock identifier app, what you will do is just open the app like this, click on it. Here, as you can see, the app is loading. Now, what you will do, in case you see this subscription pop up, click on this cancel icon on top side here. Now what you will do is click on this camera icon here. Now you can either take picture of it or just click on this photo icon here. Now upload the rock like this by clicking on it like this. Now you can zoom it by using your two hand or just tap it in order to zoom. Now what you do is just click on this good icon on downside here, and also you can see snap tips. You can get idea on how to utilize the camera in order to get good information about the rock. Now click on this good icon here, you see it, just click on it. Now wait for it to identify the rock. As you can see, it is loading. Now as you can see, it is complete. Now you can see it, you can see the color of the rock, you can see the name here. You can also get more detail by sliding down here, you see it, and you can also, you see it shows you the quality of the rock, you see it, and also here it shows you the location where you can find the rock. You see it within the state you are or within the country you are. Here you see it on the map, you see it.
If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial, and also watch this video on the screen in order to know everything about this rock identifier application. Now, see you on the next video.